gadget here. Does more damage and has a much longer range than the... Oh. Okay. We got something. Goal. We're gonna blow up the ogres. In addition to thrown daggers, rangers can also use thrown charges to deal area effect damage and take out packs of enemies. But you must be careful not to blow yourself up. So when using the weak charge, you must use distance 2 to make sure you are only throwing charges at enemies that are far enough away. Good grief. Okay. Alright. So we got a wild loot. We're gonna look for the enemy. If the hero is ready, we're gonna throw it. The distance is the distance to the enemy, which is the coordinates. And if distance is more than 15, we're gonna look for the enemy. If we're ready, we're gonna throw at the enemy from the distance. Okay. If the enemy is 15 meters away or more, then we're gonna throw at them, like if they're pretty far away. Otherwise, if they're close enough, we're gonna just... Wait, what's the issue here? Empty if statement. Let's fix that first. So we have nested if statements. Okay. So if there's an enemy, and if we're ready, and if it's more than 15 meters, then we throw. Otherwise, if there's an enemy, we're gonna attack it. Alright, let's take that. Oh. Well, wow. She's about that life, I see.